What if I told you that the secret to controlling your blood sugar isn't about cutting out your favorite foods, giving up dessert, or obsessing over calories? Instead, it's as simple as changing the order in which you eat your meals. Yes, you read that right. The same meal can impact your body completely differently, depending on how you eat it. Backed by groundbreaking science, this method can reduce blood sugar spikes by up to 73%, leaving you more energized, less hungry, and feeling your absolute best. If you're ready to transform the way you eat and take control of your health without sacrificing the foods you love, hit that subscribe button right now. Join a community of health enthusiasts who are learning how to use simple, science-backed hacks to live better every single day. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start with fiber. Eating fiber first is a surprisingly powerful strategy that works at the molecular level to protect your body from blood sugar spikes. Fiber, found abundantly in vegetables, acts as a shield in your digestive system, slowing the absorption of glucose from carbohydrates. This effect has been extensively studied and validated by scientific research. A 2015 study published in Diabetes Care demonstrated that participants who ate a vegetable starter before their main meal experienced a 73% reduction in post-meal glucose spikes compared to those who ate the same food in a different order. This result highlights fiber's unique role as a natural blood sugar regulator. When you consume fiber at the start of a meal, it begins working immediately in your stomach. Unlike other nutrients, fiber resists digestion by human enzymes. Instead, it forms a gel-like substance when mixed with water and stomach fluids, creating a physical barrier that slows the rate at which carbohydrates are broken down into glucose. This delay reduces the speed at which glucose enters your bloodstream, preventing the sharp spikes that are commonly associated with high-carb meals. But fiber's benefits go beyond just glucose control. Research has shown that diets high in fiber are associated with improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and lower cholesterol levels. A meta-analysis published in The Lancet in 2019 analyzed over 185 studies and found that people who consumed the highest amounts of dietary fiber had a 15 to 30% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease compared to those who consumed the least. These findings underscore the critical role fiber plays in overall metabolic health. To maximize the benefits of fiber in your meals, start with a variety of non-starchy vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are excellent choices, as are cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. Root vegetables such as carrots, radishes, and turnips also provide valuable fiber while adding vibrant colors and flavors to your plate. Importantly, these vegetables are not just rich in fiber, but also loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. If you're wondering how to incorporate this step practically, start each meal with a small salad, a bowl of steamed vegetables, or even a few sticks of celery or cucumber. The key is to consume these fiber-rich foods before moving on to proteins, fats, or carbohydrates. This simple habit not only reduces glucose spikes, but also promotes satiety, helping you eat less overall and avoid unhealthy cravings. In summary, starting your meal with fiber is like equipping your body with a natural defense system against the blood sugar roller coaster. It's a scientifically backed, effortless change that can have a profound impact on your health. So before you reach for the main dish, let fiber take the first bite. It's a small step with big rewards for your blood sugar and beyond. Step 2. Follow with protein and fats. After laying the foundation with fiber, the next step is to reinforce your body's defenses with protein and healthy fats. These macronutrients not only play a vital role in overall nutrition, but also work in tandem with fiber to regulate digestion and stabilize blood sugar levels. Eating protein and fats immediately after fiber ensures that your meal is digested more slowly and steadily, giving your body ample time to process nutrients without overwhelming your bloodstream with glucose. Proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and maintaining a strong immune system. However, their role in blood sugar regulation is just as critical. When consumed after fiber, protein stimulates the release of hormones such as GLP-1 and PYY, which signal your brain that you're full and slow gastric emptying. This means food takes longer to move from your stomach to your intestines, preventing a sudden surge of glucose into your bloodstream. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2018 highlighted that meals high in protein significantly reduced post-meal glucose levels in both diabetic and non-diabetic individuals. Fats, on the other hand, add another layer of defense by further delaying the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. Healthy fats, such as those found in olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds, coat the lining of your stomach and intestines, creating a slower, more controlled release of glucose. Fats also contribute to satiety, helping you feel full for longer and reducing the likelihood of snacking between meals. This effect was corroborated by a study in nutrition research in 2016, which found that meals with a higher fat content led to improved postprandial, after-meal blood sugar responses compared to low-fat meals. To maximize the benefits of protein and fats, focus on high-quality sources. Animal-based proteins such as chicken, turkey, eggs, and fish are rich in essential amino acids and offer complete nutrition. For those who prefer plant-based options, tofu, lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa are excellent choices. Healthy fats can be derived from avocados, almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and oils like extra virgin olive oil. Combining these macronutrients with fiber creates a powerful synergy that not only regulates blood sugar, but also supports overall health by reducing inflammation and promoting better metabolic function. For practical application, consider pairing your meal with protein and fats that complement your fiber-rich starter. For example, enjoy grilled chicken drizzled with olive oil after a small salad, or pair roasted broccoli with a handful of almonds and baked salmon. This sequence enhances digestion while ensuring that each nutrient category contributes its maximum benefit to your health. In summary, adding protein and fats after fiber serves as a critical step in managing blood sugar. Together, they create a slow, steady release of glucose into your bloodstream, preventing spikes and crashes that can leave you fatigued or craving sweets. This approach not only supports blood sugar control but also boosts satiety, making it easier to maintain a balanced diet and a healthier lifestyle. Step 3. Finish with carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, often the centerpiece of many meals, take the final role in this strategic eating order. While they are an essential source of energy for the body, consuming them first can lead to rapid glucose absorption, resulting in sharp blood sugar spikes. Eating carbohydrates last ensures that the fiber, protein, and fats consumed earlier act as a barrier, slowing down their digestion and minimizing their impact on blood sugar levels. This simple adjustment can transform how your body processes carbs, turning them from a potential health risk into a manageable and beneficial energy source. Carbohydrates, particularly refined ones, are quickly broken down into glucose in the digestive system. When consumed on an empty stomach or at the start of a meal, they pass rapidly through the stomach and into the intestines, where they are absorbed into the bloodstream. This rapid absorption causes a significant rise in blood sugar, often referred to as a glucose spike, which is followed by a sharp drop as insulin works over time to clear the excess glucose. These fluctuations can lead to fatigue, increased cravings, and long-term complications, such as insulin resistance. Eating carbs last mitigates this effect by taking advantage of the buffering role of fiber, protein, and fats. Studies, such as one published in the Journal of Nutrition Science and Vitaminology in 2018, demonstrate that consuming carbohydrates after protein or fiber reduces post-meal glucose and insulin levels significantly, even in non-diabetic individuals. The mechanism is straightforward. Fiber slows the release of glucose from carbs, protein enhances satiety hormones, and fats delay gastric emptying. Together, these processes create a slow and steady release of glucose, preventing spikes and crashes. The type of carbohydrates you consume also matters. Prioritize complex carbohydrates, which have a lower glycemic index and provide a gradual release of glucose. These include whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole grain bread, as well as starchy vegetables like sweet potatoes and squash. For sweet carbs, opt for fruits such as berries, apples, and pears, which contain natural sugars alongside fiber, helping to regulate blood sugar responses. Avoid refined carbs like white bread, pastries, and sugary drinks, as they lack fiber and lead to faster glucose absorption. To incorporate this step practically, reserve your carbs for the end of the meal. If you're enjoying a plate of mixed foods like pasta or rice, consider starting with a side of vegetables or a small salad, followed by protein-rich toppings like chicken or tofu, and finish by savoring the carbs. For dessert lovers, have a piece of fruit or a small treat after finishing the fiber and protein portions of your meal. This way, you can still enjoy your favorite foods without sacrificing blood sugar stability. In summary, carbohydrates aren't the enemy. They're an important part of a balanced diet when eaten strategically. By saving them for last, you allow the nutrients you've already consumed to prepare your body for their digestion, ensuring a slow, steady release of glucose. This approach not only reduces post-meal blood sugar spikes, but also enhances energy levels, curbs cravings, and promotes long-term metabolic health. So, instead of skipping carbs, enjoy them wisely by making them the grand finale of your meal. You've just discovered a game-changing secret. It's not just what you eat, but how you eat it that transforms your health. By simply changing the order of your meals, you can stabilize blood sugar, crush cravings, and boost your energy, all while still enjoying the foods you love. Small changes, big results. It's that simple. Now, it's your turn. What do you think about this hack? Have you tried eating your food in a specific order before? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts or questions. I'd love to hear from you. And if this inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share it with someone who needs this simple trick in their life. Let's keep this journey going together, one step and one bite at a time. See you in the next video.